Hi, hey, hello. Alright, say you're downstairs and you're making coffee and you want to listen to music, but all your music's on your PC. Fear not, troubled soul. I will show you how to get all that music available to you over your Wi-Fi network on your Android device. So yeah, obviously you need a PC running Windows 7, Windows 8, possibly Windows XP and Vista, and an Android device. The Android device does not need to be rooted, and this is completely free. So yeah, we'll go ahead and show you how to do this on the PC side of things. This is assuming you don't give a shit how it works, you just want it to work. So we're going to go into this and we're going to go through it pretty quickly. So I'm going to open up my File Explorer. Under Computer here, I want to share this entire directory. You can do this with any folder or file on your computer whatsoever. So you can go in and this process will work for any specific file or folder you want to share to your Android device. So I'm going to go ahead and go back. I want to share this entire drive. So I'm going to right click it. I'm going to go to Properties and I'm going to go to Sharing. And we are not shared, that's bad. I want to go to Advanced Sharing. I'm going to click Yes. I'm going to share this folder with that tick box. I'm going to keep the name the same, and we're going to change some permissions so not everybody who shares your computer with you has the ability to look at these files or share these files. All you nudie queens and kings out there. So permissions, we're going to go ahead and click Add. We're going to make sure under Object Types right here that Users is ticked or checked. Click OK. I'm going to go ahead and enter my username. Might get my cable out of the way. Go ahead and click OK. And under permissions for Adam Pickett, I'm going to give me full control. So now I have full control of the drive and I am available to share it. So apply, OK, and close. Now, the other thing we're going to need to do, and this is going to be off screen because the capture area sucks, but that's just how it is. Go to your start menu under search, in the little search bar that pops up, type CMD, and hit enter, which opens up your command box. Then type IP config, and then scroll up until you get to your IPv4 address. This is the address you're going to need. This is what you're going to be looking for on the Android side of things, and I will explain that a little bit better when we get to it. So mine is standard 0.1.85. So I'm just going to make note of that. You can write yours down, whatever the case is. So now we're going to jump over to the Android side of things, and I'm going to show you how to set things up there. Okay, so on the Android side of things, you want to go to the Google Play Store. You're going to look for ES File Explorer File Manager. This is a free app. It is totally free, so just find it on the Play Store, download it, and install it. You can see I've already done that, so I'm just going to open it from the Play Store. And this is the screen you will be greeted with when you first boot it up, which is just your local files on your Android device. So I'm going to go ahead and tap this top left icon. Under Network, right here, I'm going to go to Local Area Network LAN right here. Okay, so this is assuming your Android device is hooked up to your wireless network. You probably set all that up when you first turned on your phone or your tablet, so that shouldn't be a problem. So as long as it's running on Wi-Fi, you're good. Go ahead and scan it. It's going to look for anything on that Wi-Fi that is also using that same Wi-Fi connection. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel because it already found my IP address. This is the IP address from the command box when we were doing the PC setup, that little number that I told you to take note of. So we're going to go ahead and tap and hold this. I'm going to go to Edit Server. I'm going to uncheck Anonymous. I'm going to go to Username and just going to type in the exact same username from my computer, just like you did when you were setting it up on the computer. Just type in your exact username and password. Okay, and then I'm just going to rename it because, well, let's be honest, that's gross. Those numbers, I'm just going to change it to PC. So I know what's what. I'm going to click OK. You can see, there we go, we have our PC. So now if we tap this within ES File Explorer, you can see that drive that I shared on my PC, the J drive right here, is fully accessible. If we go back and just make note, anything with a $ is locked. You can't get to it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit J, which is the drive I shared from the PC, and there you go. That entire folder is now accessible over Wi-Fi on my Android device. It's pretty neat. So we'll just go ahead and go to, let's see, some tutorials. These are some tutorials I bought from a really great digital artist named Dave Raposa. I'm not going to show you the full thing, I'm just going to show you how this works. So if you tap on anything, specifically MP4 programs don't have any issue. If you have MX Player for your Android, you might have to download some codecs and stuff. I haven't had any issues with VLC Player, which is basically, so if I tap this, you see that VLC is installed. This is an app also free from the Play Store. You know, it's just better than the default media player that comes on the phone, and as well with ES media player. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit the VLC player, and I'm just going to open this file with VLC. You can see pretty much instantly it buffered or started playing, no problem, no buffering, and there you go. So that is a video on my PC being streamed over Wi-Fi onto my Android device. Pretty neat. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and you guys have fun streaming all of your stuff to your device. So yeah, have fun.